Hi guys, today we're going to be drawing Dogman from the movie Dogman. So, hope you like this video. Please subscribe. I haven't unlocked streaming and I've always wanted to, okay? So, just please subscribe. So, I don't care about liking. You can put as many comments as you like, but please just subscribe, okay? So first you must start off with a circle and then shade it in with black. Then it looks like that. Then you're gonna put an upside down triangle in dots like this. And then under that, I want you to put, well, not really under. I want you to, from the nose, I want you to go up. And then back and up. So it looks like that. And then I need to also go like this. And then like that. Like that. Okay? So far so good. If you're not doing good, it doesn't really matter. Okay? And then you're going to put little teeth. You can do as many teeth as you like. I wouldn't recommend doing a cross through the middle. And then after that, I want you to do a little thing at the top, and then a little thing like this. So then the cap ends up looking like that. Then on the front of the cap, I want you to colour that in black. And then let's do two ovals that look like this. And put two little ones in the middle like that. And then on the outside of the dot, don't colour in the dot. That was the smaller one. Oh no. Oh my god, guys, I wasn't watching this tutorial while I'm filming this tutorial. I'm just looking at a design, so I'm able to hopefully try and make it look as good as possible on YouTube. Okay. So yeah, that's so far so good. By the way, guys, I'm not watching the tutorial, it's just showing up. Okay. And then I want you to, and then be like that, up. Like that. So it ends up like that. And then on the end of it, I want you to put it like that, and that, and that, and that. And then after that, I want you to go like that, that, and then hopefully something like that, and that. Okay? I'll give you a bit more time to look at it. Here you go. And then I'm gonna carry on drawing. So on the back, I wanted to maybe go like that. hopefully something like that. So it looks like that. So you're basically doing the same as this, but on the other arm. Okay. And then also at the bottom, I want to do like, how many? I'll make you do 5 or 6. I did 6. It's meant to be like his whiskers, so I'm just going to shade that in. I might rub it out a bit. I feel like they're a bit too long, so I'm going to take them out. You can do them if you want. Oh, sorry, guys. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. Okay? And then, boom. There you go. And now, on his t-shirt, I want you to do boom, 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 boom. Then connect. Kind of like a daisy. Okay? And then just make it look like stitches. Okay? And then legs. So then it looks like a bit like that. But then after we gotta do shoes. And then boom, 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 boom. Put 3 up. Alright, everything's fine. Why do I drop it? And then shoes around here. Okay. So then, once you've done that, I think we are all done. But first, we need to colour it, which I can't find my colouring pens. They might be in here, I don't know. I think they might be. Well, in fact, no. I think they might be in here. In my wardrobe. I will check. They probably are. Yeah, they probably are. Here it is. I don't want that. So, I think we should use colouring pencils. You want to get maybe that shade of orange. Okay? And then you want to do that on the face, except from the teeth and the eyes and the nose. And also the hat. And then you want to put that colour on the hands. But next I want you to get a bit more of a darkish brown. And just go a little bit more. Do the same on the hand and on the other hand. So then it looks like this. Hey, that's looking pretty good. Oh no. Has it just gone to the countdown? No. Good. So on t-shirt and the logo, I wanted to do yellow for the logo. Doesn't really matter what kind of yellow. And then after that, yep, okay, yep. And then once you've done that, I'm going to put away that yellow. We won't need it anymore at all. And then I want you to get a light blue. Either cyan or light blue. I'm going to use light blue. Most people like to wear light blue. So I'm doing light blue because I like it. My favorite color is red. I like it. I've always wanted to do streams. I've always loved them. My friends call me a liar because they think I don't have a channel. His name's Noah. He keeps saying that I don't, and his name's Freddie. So Freddie, could you please stop doing that? And Noah, if you watch this. And also shout out to Harry Lopez in my class. He goes to Homefield. We're one of best of friends. And then also, guys, while I'm saying shout outs, get your black again. Go for the show's over. Okay. And then you'll also need a light blue again. No, I'm still doing it. Still going. My dad just asked for his phone. Because I'm filming on his. But it's my account. So guys, once you've done that, okay, I want it to put on the top, it says Dogman. So get the A or 6B. I'm using A, okay? Type in dog. With a little slash on the D and the G and the O. Okay, so it ends up looking like that. I know it looks a bit bad. Dog, and then put man. The A is a capital, okay? And by the way, guys, this is my first video ever, I think. Yeah, it's my first video. And then, yeah, I really hope you like it. I will be doing a video tomorrow on motocrossing. And then, yeah. By the way, if you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm just putting a little side like this. And then, on mine, you don't have to do this. You can just put, like, I'm putting first video pick. Then, guys, it should end up like that. Hope you enjoyed this video. Really hope you like it. And see you in the next video tomorrow. So, see you. Peace.